The journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. So come with me on this journey as I try to get back to just being fit, being healthy, and just trying to shed what I call this COVID weight, even though COVID has been like 4 years now. So I'm gonna have no more excuses, okay? So this is it. It's now or never. So nothing drastic. Just going back to eating healthy, controlling my portions, and just being more active. And so the meal prep is gonna be a game changer for me because this is usually where I break down, get hungry, and there's nothing healthy around to snack, and so I have to grab something from the snack machine, which you know how that is. So let's see.